Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dodge the waterfowl dance. When Melania begins her infamous attack, your immediate reaction is key. Focus on creating distance and understanding the rhythm of her strikes. This method simplifies a notoriously difficult move, allowing you to consistently avoid damage. Mastering this dodge will significantly improve your chances against her. For the first flurry, as soon as Melania leaps into the air, immediately sprint directly away from her. Do not roll, just run. This creates vital space, allowing you to avoid the initial burst of slashes. Maintaining this distance is paramount for setting up your next move and minimizing the risk of taking damage early in the sequence. As Melania finishes her first flurry and prepares for the second, dodge into her. This counterintuitive move positions you safely behind her. Immediately after, roll through her again as she completes the second flurry. For the third and final flurry, sprint away from her once more, creating distance to avoid the last set of attacks. Consistent practice is key to mastering this dodge. Pay close attention to Melania's audio cues and visual tells to refine your timing. A lighter equip load can also provide more invincibility frames during your rolls, making the dodge even more forgiving. Remember, patience and observation will lead to victory. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.